These little water bottles are for running, but we actually got them for snowboarding. So here's my snowboarding jacket. It just fits in this pocket right here. And it's perfect because the case is hard, so it can't get, you can't squeeze it when it's in your coat. And the top opens and then locks back down and then twists on really tight. We actually had another kind that were squeezable and they leaked all over the place. So when I went back looking for a different kind, this is what I found would work the best because it wouldn't leak while it was in our coats, but it holds just enough water for all of us. So we actually take them snowboarding and each one of us carries one so we can have a little hydration while we're on the slopes.